Think you're training abs, right? You might actually be wrecking your neck instead. If your neck burns more than your abs, that's a red flag. One small mistake is killing most of your ab results. Swinging your body turns abs off completely. Fast reps feel good, but they cheat your core. Holding your breath shuts down ab activation. Pulling your head forward makes this a neck workout. When your back arches, your abs stop working. Let's reset and build this the right way. Lie down, bend your knees, relax your shoulders. Gently pull your belly button toward your spine. Like tightening a belt one notch, not sucking in. Breathe normally. Control beats tension. Lift slowly, ribs down, chin relaxed. Your hands guide, they never pull. Press your lower back lightly into the floor. No swinging, no jerking, just control. Feel your abs working, not your neck. Smaller movement means stronger abs. Less motion, more tension. That's the secret. Pause 1 second at the top of each rep. That pause forces your abs to stay engaged. 10 perfect reps beat 50 sloppy ones. Brace first, move slow, control every rep. Try 10 flawless reps now. Save this and follow for real core results.